A truly elegant cat. The serval is slender and tall with these lovely distinctive markings along the body and large prominent ears. It does in fact have the longest legs relative to body size of any felid. And good looks like these do entitle the serval to a moment to show off. There we go. It mostly uses these large ears to detect prey, and though the serval would have seen the blacksmith lapwings that are calling, the sound seems too attractive to ignore. Servals do hunt birds, but their primary diet consists of small mammals, and this is not the usual way that servals hunt. They ordinarily would use their long legs to leap from an area of dense cover and land onto their prey, grasping it with its front paws. This serval appears to be curious and playful in this particular encounter, rather than serious about hunting the lapwings. Play and curiosity are wonderful mammalian traits that teach animals important hunting and social skills, as well as their limits and their boundaries. An animal having what can be interpreted as a bit of fun is a great privilege to watch in the wild. A quick drink, an uncomfortably wet paw, and our serval is off into the night again, accompanied by the sound of alarming impalas and lapwings who are well aware of the predator's presence. Operation Nighttime Pan Fun doesn't seem to be very covert. Even the most solitary mammals enjoy a bit of play, and one last attempt at the lapwings satisfies the serval before its departure.